Again, good morning, and now open your NCERT textbook. As you know that today is the numerical day of our chapter 12 atoms. From tomorrow onwards, we start another new chapter, nuclei. So dear children, see that in NCERT textbook, question number 12.3. See the question 12.3 of NCERT textbook at page number 436. 12.3 of NCERT chapter atoms that we are going to do here. My dear children, read the question and write the things what are given here. That is, what is the shortest wavelength present in the Paschen series of spectral series. Paschen series कहाँ है बच्चों यहाँ पर? The wavelength of the spectral lines forming Paschen series is given by 1 by lambda is equal to r, and that is 1 by 3 का square minus 1 by n square. ये n1 कर दीजिए. So we can write here for Paschen series shortest wavelength I can write here, that is n1, here it is infinity. For shortest wavelength, put this value here. So you can get 1 by lambda बराबर r by 9. 1 by lambda is equal to r by 9. So lambda is equal to आ जाएगा बच्चों. Calculate it. Lambda is equal to 9 by r. Here, you know the value of r, that is Rydberg constant. The value of 1 by r, remember, that is near about 911 angstrom होती है. याद रखिएगा ये value. Inverse of Rydberg constant is nearly equal to 911 angstrom. So put this value here. 9 divided by 911. 1 by r, sorry. So you can write here, multiply करेंगे इसको. 1 by r is equal to, ये आ जाएगा 9 into 1 by r की जगह रखिए 911 angstrom. Here. So dear children, once you multiplied it, you will get 8199 angstrom. This is a very simple question, but 2-mark question of CBSE. So write down. That is there. Now, you have to write along with me. Now, dear children, see the next question, 12.4 of same page number. Have you written this? Akanksha Joshi written?
Yes, sir.
चलिए next question देखिए 12.4. Here the next question is 12.4. That is a difference of 2.3 electron volt. A difference of 2.3 electron volt. Here separates the two energy level in an atom. What is the frequency of radiation emitted? What is the frequency of radiation emitted when the atom transits from the upper level to the lower level? From upper level to the lower level. First thing that what you have to do? क्या करेंगे हम यहाँ पर? हमको फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालनी है. We know the formula here. That is, पहले इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट को जूल में कन्वर्ट कर दीजिए. Convert this electron volt. When you multiplied it by 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19, it converts into joule. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. Calculation part को मजबूत करिएगा. Just you multiplied it. That will around 3.68 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule आ जाएगा. Multiplied it here. 2.3 and 1.6. तो here it is in joule आ गया आपके पास. Write down. Then जो आपका फॉर्मूला है एनर्जी का E is equal to h nu. You can write nu is equal to E by h. Nu is equal to E by h. We can write the formula that is 3.68 into 10 to the power minus 19. Yes, little bit of problem. Now solve it. Don't waste our time. Put the value of h here. That is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34. 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34. The value of h here. So what you are getting? Solve करिए इसको. तो न्यू की वैल्यू आ जाएगी आपके पास नियर. Yes, solve करिए इसको. That is the answer. 5.5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. We will get here. So dear children, this is the way to solve the question. Now again, see next question, that is 9.5. Sorry, 12.5. That is the ground state energy of hydrogen atom. Ground state energy. Write down this. Little bit of uncertainty of net. We are getting some trouble. Now come to the next question. That is, आपको एनर्जी दी हुई बच्चों ग्राउंड स्टेट एनर्जी ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम. The ground state energy of hydrogen atom, that is minus 13.6 electron volt. Minus 13.6 electron volt. What are the kinetic energy and potential? So बच्चों, I know the formula of potential energy and kinetic energy. The potential energy is minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by R. This is the formula for potential energy. And formula for the kinetic energy. See that in your notes. That is 1 by 2, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught E square by R. This is the formula for potential energy and kinetic energy here. That is of half of minus 1 by 2 of EP. So now what we have to do here, that is total जो एनर्जी दी हुई है आपको सिंस EP plus EK, that is here minus 13.6 electron volt. 13.6 electron volt. Put the value of EK here minus 1 by 2. EP minus 1 by 2 EP. That is 13.6 electron volt. Yes. Write down here EP minus 1 by 2 EP, that is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. ये आ गया बच्चों 1 by 2 EP is equal to minus 13.6 electron volt. We can write here, write here 1 by 2 of EP comes out to be minus 13.6 electron volt. So we are getting, that is here. Now write down. So this is the value of potential energy and kinetic energy. Here. Yes, dear children. लिखिए इसको. Write down this question, that is 12.5 of our NCERT textbook, and come to the next question of same page number 436, 12.6. Write down. Now, question is an hydrogen atom. An hydrogen atom initially in the ground level absorbs a photon which excited it to the n is equal to 4 level. Determine the now. Yes, write down. I know the formula energy of an electron. Energy of an electron in the nth hydrogen atom. That formula we had derived. En is equal to minus 13.6 divided by n square electron volt. This formula we know very well. So here, my dear children, Yes, I know my children, little bit of problem we are facing in internet as and when it disconnects. So here, now it's okay, write down. This is the energy in the first orbit, E1 is equal to this one. For n is equal to 4, put here, this is for the first E4 minus 13.6 divided by 4 का square. Solve करिए इसको. We know the value that is minus 0.85 electron volt. 0.85 electron volt here. So energy difference between the n is equal to 1 to n is equal to 4. Energy difference calculate करिए. That is E4 minus E1. E4 minus E1, that is 0.85 minus E1 minus 13.6. Here it is 13.6 है ये. Solve करो इसको, तो you will get 12.75 EV. This is there. 12.75 EV. Yes. So the hydrogen will go to the n is equal to 4 from n is equal to 1. यहां से यहां पे जा रहा है. n is equal to 4 to n from n is equal to 1. If the photon energy 12.75 eV, 12.75 eV convert into joule. 12.75 eV, that is equal to 12.75 into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 is here. So multiply करिए इसको, you will get 20.4 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. ये हर्षित आ रही है, आप सही आ रही है? Are you getting clear video, हर्षित?
Yes, sir.
Now write down. That is not in our hand. Okay, ये साइड में होना पड़ेगा. Yes. So write the value here. We know this energy is equal to h nu. This is equal to h nu. So you can find out here nu. 20.4 into 10 to the power minus 19 divided by h. That is 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 34. Calculate it. That is 3.08 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. Unit लिखिएगा, write down the unit here. That is 3.08 into 10 to the power 15 hertz. Here. लिख लो. Frequency आ गई, so you can calculate here lambda. Lambda is equal to C by nu. Lambda is equal to C by nu. We can write yes. So C 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by nu. That is this 3.08 into 10 to the power 15 into 10 to the power 15. So we will get 9.7 into 10 raised to power minus 8 meter. This is the answer here. Write down. Lambda is equal to C by nu. Now, so these are the various numerical जो हम लोगों ने किए बच्चों यहाँ पर. See one more numerical, that is question number 12.10. Question number 12.10, 12.8, 12.9, they are very easy questions. So do up to your level, that is your homework. Write down question number 12.8, 12.9. Now we are solving 12.10. That is at page number 436. Here. Read the question. According to the Bohr's model, find the quantum number that characterize the Earth revolution around the Sun in an orbit of radius 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11. ये रेडियस दी हुई है. ऑर्बिटल स्पीड दिया हुआ है 3 into 10 raised to power 14 मीटर पर सेकेंड. ऑर्बिटल स्पीड 3 into 10 raised to power 14 मीटर पर सेकेंड. मास ऑफ द अर्थ दिया हुआ है 6 into 10 raised to power 24. तीन चीज आपको दी हुई है, रेडियस, देन ऑर्बिटल स्पीड दी हुई है v, and then mass. What is our second postulate? What is our second postulate? That is mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. Here. So mvr is equal to nh upon 2 pi. We have to find out n. So 2 pi mvr divided by nh. Here. Put the values. So I can write here 2 pi m, v and r. 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11. 1.5 into 10 raised to power 11 divided by n into h. n तो आपको निकालना है, तो नीचे h है केवल. h that is 6.6 into 10 raised to power minus 34. All the values मैंने रख दिया यहाँ पर. Now it is your problem how to solve and how fast you solve it. Solve it. Solve करिए इसको. Now जब आप solve करेंगे तो you will get it 2.5 into 10 raised to power 84. लगभग ये वैल्यू आ जाएगी आपकी. This is the value of n here. Okay. So these are the questions that we have solved. So dear children, this is all about today. Write down first, and if you have any kind of problem regarding this chapter, then you may ask. Okay. Bye. Okay. You can send me.
Okay, sir.